Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna do a maintenance action for this dispatch message. The hydraulic level of the green reservoir indication is not showing, so we have to visually observe the level on the hydraulic tank. Here we find the message in the post-flight report, and via the message I can go to the fault, the mail, and then the maintenance action that needs to be performed. As the manuals are hyperlinked to the fault messages, it's pretty easy to find the correct mail and find the correct maintenance actions that need to be performed. Then here we have the mail item, and if I then click on the M for maintenance action, it will direct me to the correct page with the maintenance action that needs to be performed. And then for the green system, the main landing gear needs to be extended and doors closed. The nose wheel steering wheel needs to be more or less straight, and the ram air turbine needs to be in the retract position. If you would have this problem for the yellow system, it has other items that need to be done. And then it requires me to temporarily pressurize the hydraulic system. As there is it is a bootstrap system. If you turn on the pump, you get a 500 psi head pressure on the reservoir cylinder, so that you will sure that at least if the air is in the tank, is compressed. If correctly, all the air is bleed out after a cycle, and then you can visually check the quantity of the tank. And here you see where the locations are. The green tank is on the right hand side in the wing fairing of the aircraft. And here you can check where you can visually see the indication on the tank. So here we temporarily pressurize the hydraulic system for a moment to only 5000 psi. After that we'll make sure that the parking brake is also off. Here it is off. So on the side of the body fairing, wing to body fairing, there is a little inspection hatch that you need to open, so you can see the indication on the tank. Here is the panel removed, and there you see the red line of the hydraulic level. And the hydraulic level is within the limits, and I will show you that in the maintenance manual. Here it is. And after that check, we can close the panel and sign off the book.